Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with this is Immediate personality Lerato Kganyago, and she found herself in the center of the public attention. Le indoda yakhe uThami Ndlala, and unelinye igama futhi kuthiwa uVusi Ndlala. So he has two IDI too. Yeah. They found themselves in public attention following a recent testimony kuMadlangala Commission of Inquiry. So there's this spa, E12 on Hillel Villa and Spa in North Cliff, Johannesburg. It was found, it was identified as an allegedly meeting venue for high-ranking officials involved in the probe into corruption. So everything le corrupt laphayana parliament. Behlangana laphayana 12 on Hillel Villa Street. Spa list as a not live. Spa list ukuthi bani massage. Yeah. Amaphoyisa nje anobu-criminality bewatholakala lapho. So there was a witness abamfihlayo, obviously witness kumele bayifihle. He testified ukuthi he was attending a gathering a hotel and he saw several senior police officers, including Major General Richard Shibiri, an attendant the event organized by Uvusi Ndlala, the same time Ndlala, husband Lerato Kganyago. Everything in this video is allegedly. He further on detailed the attempt to influence the investigation into the murder of engineer Armand Swart, including bribery and efforts aimed at securing bail for the accused. Imagine. And he claimed that Undlala outlined a plan involving financial incentives and, if ever necessary, the elimination of the investigating officers to facilitate the suspect's release. Despite the hotels and mentions in the inquiry, both Kganyago and her husband Thami Ndlala have not been accused of any wrongdoing. So everything nje abayifakayo la ihamba ngesibongo sakwaNdlala, and also ukuthi indoda yakhona has two IDs. So Lerato Kganyago's connection to the hotel remains a focal point, which, as a hotel released a statement, uthi none, even including Thami Ndlala, neither of them are involved in management or operation or administrations of the hotel in any capacity, and the hotel has no record of him serving as director or manager or employee or agent or representative of the property. So it's either they were both lying or maybe banama-shares. Ooh, yabona lento yokuchoma. And then when something fails, abantu bakhona, they are out here, isono. Hey guys, let us wait, yenziwe ama-investigations, and yeah. And uLerato Shemlobi zabatshela lapha kuthiwa ukuthi the day aphuma ama-investigation, he's gonna sue people as she's proven innocent.